Guys, so I am ready to do another unboxing. I just recently did the unboxing for this awesome GTR drift car from LDRC or LADRC, something like that. I don't know. What does it say? LDR/C. Let more people like playing models is the logo on the thing. But yeah, I wanted to see how it does, and today I'm going to do another couple of unboxings real quick to see what we've got here, which is pretty cool. And yesterday I also showed you guys another fun vehicle, which I will display right here, and hopefully there's enough battery to run it, so maybe I can run it. But I was very conflicted and opposed to the people who were like, oh, let's make this kind of ridiculous trigger gun remote the remote for the future of RC. And it's very sad. It's very sad. They won, and the others that really like the other kinds of remotes lost bigly. So bigly, in fact, that we ended up having that as the main controller for most cars, unless you're smart enough. Like there's one company, or a few companies, American toy companies, that still use the remote controls, just like the DJI remote controls, the drone remote controls to drive cars. Maybe that's Java and stuff. Those are the companies that should have won the race for modern technology, but they didn't. They lost to the trigger gun, because the trigger gun always wins, and it's sad. But anyway, the thumb is more accurate than the wrist. Some people say it's all in the wrist, but I might say that based on anatomy and paleontology and a bunch of other sciences, the thumb is what makes not America great again, but just human beings. Pretty impressive. Without that thumb, we couldn't have done a lot of things that we did. But, you know, Neuralink will probably change all of that, but it don't matter. It don't matter. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, I've managed to unbox one out of two, and I'm desperately trying to unbox the second one, which is why you guys are still hearing all this. I'm trying to alpha dog it into opening, but it just won't, because as we all know, I am not an alpha dog. Get down. Use more strength. Alright, okay, well, we're finally getting to the point. But the reason why the previous video got cut short is because you guys know that the Ricoh Theta, I'm not sure which version I have, I think it's the nicer version of it, does not allow, oh, I'm going to need the knife again. Jeez Louise, I put it away. Jeez Louise, I put it away. It's for this box here. These boxes here require an extra, oh gosh darn it. Hopefully I didn't move the camera too much so I made people vomit, which could happen because it's VR. Virtual reality cameras may do that to you if you are wearing a headset. Some people suffer from that anyway. Okay, we got one open. Let's see the other one. Wait, what? This is what? Okay, this is weird. And by weird, I mean I did not expect it to be that much bigger. What? What just happened? I thought it was getting the same size. I didn't even know that. What is this company here? Jabaile. Jabaile. Jabaile or something. I don't know how you say it. It's often known as, Top RC, or I don't know. Anyway, Drift RC, something like that. I didn't even know they made cars of that size. I thought, because they once sold the truck. There was a truck that